Fire in the hole, let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I've got a bowl of chicken wings, about 20 wings. We're going to prep them up like we usually do with some Tsangs stir fry oil. Hope you can see that. And this is a brand new bottle, so it doesn't like to come out of the bottle when it's new. Got to get some air in the bottle first. But we're going to slather it down with some Tsangs stir fry oil on those wings. Get them all coated with that Tsangs stir fry oil. That's the best binder going ever, because it's got a beautiful garlic flavor that we all love. Get some of that on there. And then I'm going to hit it with some of my Root Boy Rub number 2, which is my barbecue rub that I make. If you're doing this, you could put any kind of barbecue rub you want on there. I'm partial to my rubs because I made them and I know what's in them. So we're just going to get them coated down with that Root Boy Rub. Put a nice coating of them on there. I like that stuff. It's good stuff, especially for chicken, I think. If you'd like to buy some, you could hit my Facebook store up. I'll put a link in the description. And I'll sell you some. It's only $3 a jar. The shipping is what kills you. It's $7.50 to ship, but $3 a jar for the actual stuff. It's not that expensive when you think about it. $3 a jar. Make it myself. It's good stuff. Let's get those wings coated down. Okay, that's good enough, don't you think? Maybe a little more. A little more of that stuff in there. We'll mix that all up. They already look good. Oh, I apologize for the fogginess of the lens. It's like humidity out here is crazy. Alright, so let me get my wings prepped up and we'll make this strawberry habanero sauce. So stay tuned. My saucepan is on the fire. We're going to get this started with a cup of ketchup. And this is my recipe, and I will put a link in the description. Not a link, but I'll put the whole recipe in the description for you if you want to try to make this. We've got a cup of ketchup in there. And this is my recipe, and I don't owe anybody for this. So that's cool. Alright, a cup of ketchup, half a cup of Grandma's molasses, which is like molasses on a hot day. It's actually a really hot day today. It's over 100 degrees out here. Sweating my butt off. But anyway, we got some molasses in there. About a half a cup. There you go. Then we got a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Maybe a fourth of a cup of that. That's good stuff. Now what you got there is a basic barbecue sauce. Right there. You could put that on any kind of meat and call it barbecue. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. But wait, there's more. This is a strawberry habanero barbecue sauce. So we got to get with the strawberry now. So for some strawberry flavor, I've got some Smuckers natural strawberry fruit spread. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that in there. 1, 2, that's bringing the strawberry flavor, isn't it? Strawberry. So we'll get that incorporated. So already we've got a sweet strawberry flavored barbecue sauce, but we're not done. You hang on a second. Let me get that stirred up a little bit. Get it all incorporated on the fire. It's a piece of strawberry right there, boy. Some real strawberries in there. Okay. Now we're going to put a little bit of my rub in there, my Root Boy Rub number 2, which is a barbecue rub. Use any barbecue rub you want. I'm using my Root Boy Rub, about a tablespoon of that in there. That's good stuff. Let's get that incorporated. Strawberry habanero. Habanero peppers are hot, but they got a great flavor. Okay, so we got the strawberry fruit spread and some of my Root Boy Rub. Next thing I want to put in there is this beer that I got. This is Strawberry Beret. Barrel of Monks Brewing Company Strawberry Beret Amber Ale with strawberries. Don't that sound good? I'm going to have to save a taste of that for the pitmaster. Don't you think? But between this beer and that strawberry compote, we're gonna have quite a strawberry flavor going here. I want to save a taste of that for myself. I'm curious to know what that tastes like. So I saved the taste for me. And that's pretty good. Damn. I should have drank it instead of cooking with it. That's okay. This is gonna make an awesome wing sauce. So we've got a real strawberry flavored sauce going here. But now we got to bring some heat to this. So to do that, we've got some, this is iguana sauce, XXX, pretty damn hot, it says right on it, habanero pepper sauce. Now, if you don't like hot stuff and you don't want no habanero pepper sauce in your food, then you can let this go and just make it a strawberry sauce. But I'm going to put some in there because I want that habanero flavor in there. That too much. Oh boy! Wait till my old lady sees that. She's going to freak out. That might be a little bit too much habanero in there, but that's okay. This is going to make an awesome wing sauce. Let me get that mixed up in there. And I've got a kind of we're going to cook that down a little bit. Let that reduce down by about half. And I got a kind of a special setup for my wings today that I want to show you. And I'll be showing that to you right now. Stay tuned. So what I wanted to show you is my latest toy. This is a wing basket for the rotisserie. And what you do with this is you get your wings and you lay them in the basket like this. Hope you can see that. And then you put this on the rotisserie, get it spinning. You could load this up with almost any kind of meat. You could put, I don't know, anything you want in here. You could put fish in here, veggies, shrimp, you name it. I mean, it's only limited by your imagination. As much meat as you can cram in there, which I'm going to get all these wings in there. Like that. How's that look? Pretty good, huh? Yeah, let me get the rest of these wings in there. Some of them didn't get enough rub on them. That's okay. It'll all come out in the wash. Don't you worry. I'm gonna get my rotisserie basket thingy put back on there. Like so. Smoosh that down. There you go. Rotisserie wings. Let me get that on the grill and spin it, and I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, I got my rotisserie basket spinning on the rotisserie. And you know what I like to say? You just can't beat my spinning meat. Take about an hour to cook those wings that way, and we'll come back and we'll sauce them with that strawberry habanero sauce. It's gonna be good. Stay tuned. Alright, my strawberry habanero wings are done, and here's today's beer. This is from the Scuttlebutt Brewing Company Gale Force India Pale Ale. It's got a mermaid on it. That's got to count for something. And it's an IPA, of course. It's 5.8 alcohol by volume, family-owned company. Let's get the top off that and find out what it's all about. There's only one way to find out, right, Lassa? We got to pour it out. Lassa, where you been, Lassa? You ain't been around lately. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Kind of it's not so much of a pale ale as a dark ale, and I'm spilling it everywhere. Ah, boy. Wait till Victor Bitter sees that. He'll take me to task. I don't know what happened, but it overfoamed big time. We had a big time overfoam right there. Yeah, that's Scuttlebutt Brewing Company Gale Force IPA, and it's got a lot of foam. Yeah, you know I like it that way. Let's take a sniff of that, Lassa. It's all head. Smells great. Smells like an IPA should. Let me quaff the froth off. I got plenty to quaff. Ah, that's great. That's got an excellent flavor to it. Scuttlebutt Scuttlebutt Brewing Gale Force IPA. See if I can get some more in my glass without spilling it. Anyway, forget that. Let's get some of this chicken over here and get a taste of that. Don't that look good? That should be the thumbnail right there. Like I said, let me take a piece right off the top and put that in my mouth. Ah. Delicious. Mmm. Excellent. Ah, that strawberry habanero sauce is excellent. Hey, that's a great recipe. Y'all gotta try this one. This one's awesome. Got beautiful looking chicken with that strawberry habanero sauce is amazing. I really like that basket. I got to figure out how to clean it. But anyway, yeah. That's my video, babies. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go see my boy, the Noob. The Noob's been rocking out the videos lately. And I think his real name is Dave. I'm not sure. I don't want to say it's Dave when it might not be Dave. I'm calling him the Noob. He's a cool dude. He's in Louisiana. He's doing all kinds of cool stuff. These chicken wings are excellent. Delicious. I might have put a little bit too much habanero sauce on them. But you know, when you make them, you adjust them the way you want them. Meanwhile, it's just right for me. They're hot. Anyway, that's my video. You know what I always say. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. You got that going for you. This Scuttlebutt IPA finally settled down a little bit. Got where I could drink it. That's a full-bodied IPA right there. Very, it's not light at all. You know, they say India Pale Ale. It's not really that pale. Anyway, babies. Pardon me. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good. Please subscribe. Go see the Noob. Tell him the Root Boy sent you. And meanwhile, you know, my chicken wings are looking excellent. And it tastes excellent too. So hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next week. Bye.